Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have admin access, two-factor authentication enabled, and a verified contact email. Next, gather the content you own, file names, upload dates, URLs, and proof like registration or timestamps, because the rights manager needs authoritative evidence. Then define policy goals. Decide whether to block, monitor, or monetize matches, and set matching thresholds, for example, a 90% similarity cutoff. Once these prerequisites are ready, move into the platform and create your first catalog. You now create catalogs and upload your assets. Use batch CSV or the API to include metadata and ownership proof. This speeds future matches. Once uploaded, configure fingerprinting. Choose audio, video, or image fingerprints and set similarity thresholds and match windows to reduce false positives. After fingerprints settle, build rules that assign actions, block, claim, or track, and layer exceptions by geography or specific channels to avoid overreach. Make sure to test rules on a small sample before wide enforcement. You finish by enforcing policies and monitoring outcomes. Check match rates, false positives, revenue tracked, and take down statistics daily at first. If you see problems, adjust rules, lower thresholds, add channel or content exclusions, or refine fingerprints and retest. Implement a clear dispute workflow with templates and response timeframes so creators can appeal. Escalate persistent issues to platform support. One key troubleshooting tip: if false positives spike, temporarily relax thresholds and narrow fingerprint scope while you analyze.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.